Okay, so as you know from the title, we are going to be opening the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker. So let's get to it. Alright guys, hey, so it's the first video of 2024. I have a lot planned for this year. I'm going to try to revamp my videos a little bit. I have everything all planned out and I'm looking forward to what this year may bring for my channel. So, let's get into this today. I have the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro, and the reason why I bought this is because I have been using my Instant Pot as a slow cooker. I don't care for the Instant Pot for anything else. That's just my opinion. Sorry if you love Instant Pot, I just don't, other than the slow cooker setting. And my actual slow cooker, my crock pot, took a dive a while back. It was digital and the buttons just stopped working. So I was using that as a stand-in, but if you've ever used your Instant Pot as a slow cooker, then you know that it only has like a time setting. There's no high, low, or anything like that. So I was looking for something a little bit more versatile, and so I did my research and I came upon this, and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna give that one a go because I know that Ninja makes pretty decent products. So I am curious to see how this is gonna go. So if you're watching this and you wanna know how this works, stay tuned because I have a whole week of crock pot dinners that I'm going to be making this week, and I'm going to post that video next week so that you can see just how well this functions as a crock pot. Maybe you're on the fence, maybe you're thinking about buying one. This was $99 at Sam's Club, and I kind of regret buying it at Sam's because I wish I would have got it at Walmart in the cherry tart color. It's like a maroon, but this one's blue, but they have different colors. And I think it runs like $120 on Amazon. So, but I paid $99 at Sam's Club. So let's get this open and see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start opening this up. My cat was sitting on here, I had to move him off. Sorry if I sound a little under the weather too, because I've got that weird cough that's going around. My kids now have it. So let's get this open before I stab myself with anything sharp. Okay. So I'm really curious to see if there's like a recipe book in here because this says it does 14 different things. Let me read off what it says here. Slow cooker steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, saute pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, I think that's what that word is, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and an integrated spoon that goes on top. Which I think is kind of silly because then it will just drip all over your lid and look gross. But that's just me. But I was kind of curious about the bread maker part. So here's the spoon, first off. And this is the color it's going to be. So you can see here that it's, I don't know what the color was called. Oh, I'm just going to take it out like this. There is something in there, but I think I'll have to cut it. So I know that this unit comes apart. So like most crock pots, there's two pieces so you can clean it. But this one actually has like handles. Just get it out here. If anybody else has this and you like it, let me know in the comments down below. So let's get the plastic off of it. Sorry if it's hard to see. It's hard to get a really good shot there. So here's the rack, which is nice. So if you want to steam or maybe like roast a chicken, nice little rack. And then here's the cast iron skillet that they talked about. It's not very heavy. The cat's trying to get in the box. And then here's the actual unit. So it has all the options here. Slow cook, sear, saute, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, proof. So I'm really curious to see how this piece of equipment is going to work out. I'm excited to use it. So let's get the lid out of here. Okay, so it does come with this booklet, and it does have recipes in it, this is what I was most curious about, because I kind of want to know what they want you to do with it, and then I want to do my own thing with it. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work. I'm excited for it because I have gone without a real crock pot, a real true crock pot for quite some time now. So I'm excited to see how this one's going to turn out. Let me just grab the lid. So if we put the whole thing together, and then it looks like this. It's not very big and it's not very heavy, so that's nice. And then integrated spoon. Alright, so here it is. And like I said, the whole week I have 4 recipes that we are going to be trying out. It's going to be a series on crockpot meals on a budget. So if you're into something like that, because I know that groceries are so insanely expensive right now, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell icon and select all, so that when my videos come out, you'll be the first to know, and you can watch them and check those out. But like I said, 4 recipes are going in here because I want to give this thing a true run for its money to see how it does. If you want to know how this works out for me, stay tuned for that next video, and I'll give a little rundown at the end of the video about how I liked using it for the rest of this whole week. So dinner's going in this tonight, so stay tuned for my next videos. I hope that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe and Happy New Year.